two legendary icons. One epic showdown. The nimble, smile-inducing Mazda MX-5 NA, or the hot hatch pioneer, the original Golf GTI. Both defined generations and carved out their own unique place in automotive history. But when these retro legends collide, which one truly reigns supreme? Stick around to find out which classic takes the crown. Forget everything you think you know about classic car rivalries. Today, we're settling the score once and for all. It's the precision-engineered, German powerhouse GTI versus the lightweight, purist's dream MX-5 NA. This isn't just a comparison, it's a battle for retro supremacy. Only one can be king, and the answer might surprise you. Let's move on to the 1980s, when the Volkswagen Golf GTI was probably one of the most desirable compact sports cars. After all, we are talking about the iconic second generation of the model that invented and gave its name to a category, the car I dreamed of as a child, and the one I drove to Wolfsburg to celebrate the model's 50th anniversary. By the way, this Golf is a GTI collection, one of the last units sold in Spain of the second generation, in December 1991. The Mazda MX-5 NA, also known as the first-generation Miata, is the car that reignited the world's love for lightweight roadsters. Launched in 1989, it combined classic British sports car spirit with Japanese reliability. With its pop-up headlights, rear-wheel drive, and perfectly balanced chassis, the MX-5 NA delivered pure driving joy. It became an icon for its simplicity, agility, and Jinburitai philosophy, the harmony between car and driver. The Mazda MX-5 NA, the car that brought back the golden age of pure driving. Born in 1989, it wasn't about power or luxury, it was about feeling. With its lightweight body, perfect balance, and those iconic pop-up headlights, the MX-5 captured the essence of what driving used to be: simple, connected, and full of emotion. Inspired by classic British roadsters but built with Japanese precision, it became a legend of the 90s, a symbol of joy behind the wheel. The MX-5 NA wasn't just a car, it was freedom, fun, and nostalgia on four wheels. Recuerdos esos posters en tu ped, los coches que encendieron tu pasión. Estamos trayendo de vuelta dos de ellos para el enfrentamiento definitivo. El GTI y el MX-5 NA representan la cúspide del rendimiento accesible de una época pasada. Los vamos a poner a prueba para ver si aún están a la altura de lo que se dice y, lo más importante, para declarar un ganador definitivo.